Hi. Let's see the special features of Indian Railways. There are several comprehensible and user-friendly services provided by Indian Railways. These services have been designed to take some load off the railway ticketing and reservation department all over the country. Indian passengers can check their reservation status and send an inquiry to the Department of Railways through an SMS. There are predefined keywords that are assigned to different types of queries. Online booking and advanced reservation of rail tickets is another important feature provided by the Indian Railways to facilitate convenient booking, saving the time and energy of both the corporation and the passenger. Tathcal Scheme is a specialized service designed to allow urgent bookings in all classes except first AC and executive class. Tathcal e-ticket service is available on selected trains. Railways operates certain reasonably priced tour packages across the nation for domestic as well as foreign tourists. These tour packages are categorized under the Bharat Darshan plan, with wide-ranging destinations and tourism packages. Apart from passenger and travel service, Indian Railways also presents deluxe and heritage packages and services through special luxury, heritage and tourist trains such as Palace on Wheels, Royal Orient Express, Golden Chariot, Deccan Odyssey, Royal Rajasthan on Wheels, the Fairy Queen, Heritage of Wheels and Mahaparivan special train. IRCTC Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited, came into online operations when the online trend was gaining momentum. It is the marketing portion of the Indian Railways, and both are working together to bring reforms to organizational performance. IRCTC Portal of Indian Rail is the largest and fastest growing e-commerce website in the Asia-Pacific region. Online ticket booking options has offered immense help to the people who do not have much time. While doing the online reservation, one can find two kinds of tickets: e-tickets and i-tickets. E-tickets are electronic tickets provided by Indian Railways. After confirmed ticket flashes on screen, you can take its printout. Take your identity card along with this printout and enjoy traveling in different parts of India. I-tickets, on the other hand, need to be booked some days in advance. You need to fill in some personal data at the time of reservation I-tickets, and for availing this service, one needs to pay some fee that includes courier charges too. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.